How are we doing, everyone? We are back with another GoMining video. This one's a little bit different because it seems like GoMining is teasing us with something. About 11 hours ago, they posted a video on their YouTube channel saying incoming, a drop like never before. So for the people who have not seen it, let's just quickly watch this. I will be pausing it just, to say some odd details and to ensure that I don't get copyrighted, even though it's literally an 11-second video. We just want to be safe with it. So right here, I'm going to pause it. Tell me this doesn't look like the dial of a watch. See this? This is the part here that looks like it would connect the band that goes around your wrist. I don't know what this is. But right here, look, this is the band that comes off. That's the other band on that side. It's circular. It looks like a watch. So in my head, is GoMining going to come out with a physical watch that might mine Bitcoin? That would be fucking insane. Someone just asked you, hey, what time is it? Oh, it's time to mine some Bitcoin, man. But anywho, back to the video. Luxury meets Bitcoin mining. Again, I'm going to say this. I am 99% sure that GoMining is either going to come out with a new miner, which looks like a watch, or they're going to come out with a physical watch that you can buy that's GoMining branded or Bitcoin branded, and it's just like a regular watch, or they're literally coming out with a luxury watch that mines Bitcoin. Let's just finish the video. Soon. So luxury meets Bitcoin mining soon. I'm going to come on over to their X and they made the same post, same video. But when I scroll down, let's see. Yeah, looks like a watch. Thinking of this guy make a AI video of eggs going in a frying pan. Scrolling down a little bit more. Looks like a watch. I have a feeling they're going to be coming out with a watch so you can watch your Bitcoin being mined. Bruh, that's insane. That is insane. But anywho, this is just a quick short video just for anyone who was not following them on the socials, mainly because they have not posted anything about this on the actual platform. Just be ready for something to come in like never before. Again, I'm just going to keep saying this. I feel like it's a watch. So hopefully when it does come out, we can all watch and see what happens. Either way, we'll see you guys soon. Have fun. And remember, if you haven't started mining, a referral link will be down in the description below. You can start today. If not, just remember, invest your money in something. Don't just sit there. Don't do nothing. Invest. Invest, okay? Adios. We'll see you soon.
Pulled off the lot in a futuristic spaceship. Paid it off immediately. That's what I call ownership.